Hello guys, I guess you have heard of the word dark web as a place where criminal activities takes place. Yes, you are right. Because in dark web, a person can purchase credit card numbers, drugs, guns, hack Netflix accounts, prepaid debit cards, login credential for bank accounts, hacking softwares. And also, this is a place where you can hire a hacker to attack computers. Interesting, right? Well, then how was the dark web created? US government. Yes, actually it was created by the US government to allow spies to exchange information anonymously. Because there was a worldwide American spies who gathers information for the United States. Because of this reason, US military researchers developed the technology known as Tor in the mid 1990s. It is called as the onion router because it uses the technique of onion routing. That means it makes websites anonymous through layers of encryption. In our normal surface web, we have domains like .com, .net, .org. But most of the websites in dark web are hosted on the .onion domain. As the Tor network became accessible to anyone with an internet connection, more and more servers were set up around the world. The network has become much more decentralized and setting new connections in different countries. Do you know the strength of the Tor network is increased in a way that it cannot be stopped from one place. Even if you disconnect the US servers, the rest of the network doesn't affect at all. Basically, Tor network is frequently used for both malicious and legal purposes. For example, if the US Department of the Justice wanted to shut down a black market in the Netherlands, it needed the participation of the both Dutch police and European police, and also it required the participation of several country agencies. Due to widespread of the illegal content such as illicit pornography, black market drug sales, illegal firearm sales, the dark web has earned a bad reputation. Due to the availability of such illegal content, the dark web makes a suitable place for criminals. It is mostly used by cybercriminals, but it can also use for legal purposes such as journalists use it to gather information from sources without exposing their identities. Well, then is it illegal to access dark web? The answer is no. Accessing the dark web is legal. But using dark web and purchasing any illegal content and prohibited items is illegal. As an example, obtaining drugs, guns and illegal content like child pornography is illegal on the dark web. Then why the people use the dark web? The main purpose of using dark web is anonymization. In some cases, many people try to protect their identity because they would be in danger if their identity became known to the world, right? Next is illegal activities. The dark web used by people to carry out illegal activities in online, such as selling or buying weapons or drugs and many illegal activities. And next is to access the hidden websites, which we can't access through the normal surface webs. Finally, I advise not to use the dark web without having taken the proper safety measures. It is not worth exposing yourself to the dangers. So be careful in this internet world. That's all for today guys. I hope you learned some info from the video. If you really enjoy the content, hit the like button and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye guys.